Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. This is AFX Flows and my name is Anthony Uchoma. So basically we want to do a top-down analysis on gold, and currently this is New York session. This is 12:58, close to New York session. So without further ado, let's get started. Basically I trade SMC, which means smart money concepts, includes the order block, the breaker block, the inducement, and so on and so forth. So basically, what are we currently seeing on our daily time frame on gold? Just fast and easy. Simplicity is everything. So basically, looking at gold is currently in an uptrend, which means the bulls are currently in control of the market. So not only that, there are other confluences in which I need to add to analyze my gold. And guys, know that basically gold normally respects breaker block and fair value gap. So let's move forward. So looking at gold now, what can I see? If I ask you now, what can you see now? Now gold there's what is called a buy side liquidity, which is here, and that is where gold is currently trying to target. And currently, if you look down again, there is a liquidity below which is called the sell side liquidity. So looking at what gold is doing now, then I bring out my fib tool for my swing high to my swing low, or just put it here my swing low, or maybe I just put it as my swing low. So where is gold currently at? There's what is called discount price and premium price. So gold is currently in a premium price, which means it is higher, the cost is higher. So let's move on. So what can I see now? There's a break of structure to the upside here. Simplicity is everything. There's a break of structure to the upside here, so which means continuation of the trend. So what can I see again? There's another liquidity below here that gold may take out maybe in the coming days or maybe next week or stuff like that. So there is a sweep of liquidity here. So there's a sweep of liquidity here that price did before moving up, before that impulsement to the upside. So moving on, going to my 4 hours time frame, what I do is I start from my daily, my 4 hours, my 1 hour, and my 15 minutes. Mostly I do my daily. That's my daily bias, is know where gold is currently at. Then 4 hours, I look for my structures, my key levels, mark out my order blocks, mark out the zone in which gold may want to retest on. Sometimes I just move to my 15 minutes to look for my entries. But what I do is when I go to my 4 hours, my 1 hour, I use my 1 hour to refine my 4 hours order block or maybe breaker block or stuff like that. Then I use my 15 minutes for my entry. So let's move forward. So what can I see on gold now? So I'm not analyzing here. I'm just currently focused on what is happening, the price action that is happening here. So what is gold currently showing me now? We have a break of structure, which continuation of the trend. So now price has changed character to the downside, which means in SMC we call it choke. It's got a change of character to the downside. And now when you look at price now, where did price retested on before price moved up? Price retested on this zone. Let's just put it this zone here, close to this fair value gap, but it's rare though. It's rare. So price reached to this fair value gap here. I'll just call it an order block, but this is the main order block though. This is the main order block here. Is another block here, but I will just use here, just call it as an order block because it's close to a fair value gap. Or maybe I will just say, okay, price just retested on this full fair value gap here, which is this FVG here. So where is price currently moving on? Remember I said I want to buy gold because why? Because of this high here. This high needs to be taken out because there's a liquidity resting up here. That's why gold is keep buying and buying and buying and buying. So let's keep going forward. So what can I see again? There is a small break of structure here in 4 hours time frame here. There's a break of structure, which means continuation of the trend. So where do I think gold can currently retest on now? Because what is gold currently doing now? We have higher highs, price has already changed to lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. There's a change of character. Higher highs, higher low, higher highs, price has changed character, lower low, lower highs. So what gold is currently want to do, maybe he wants to take this liquidity, because there's a liquidity above here too. Again, there's a liquidity above here. Simplicity is everything. There's a buy side liquidity above here. Before gold might just do like this, gold might just do like this, like this, like this, like this, then take it out, then come down to retrace. So what gold is currently doing now is a retracement. Gold is retracing like this. Gold is retracing. So gold is retracing, sorry. So moving down to my 1 hour, because I've not seen a zone in which I want to take gold from. So but gold is currently in an uptrend. Gold is in an uptrend, so I'm looking for opportunities to buy. Note, what I look for is my inducements and fair value gap. If there's an inducement, fair value gap, that's how I trade gold. Or maybe if I see another block, I trade gold like that. So I've not seen anything yet, but I'm seeing something like this here, which gold needs to come and take out here. So let's move forward. So going up to my 1 hour time frame, you can see how beautiful Forex looks, right? It keeps breaking till it breaks and you understand, and you take your entries and all that. But remember, I want to buy gold up to this zone here. So let's see what gold is doing. So I asked myself, okay, where is the nearest point I can take this trade from now? Where do I think I can take gold from now? Now I am seeing a very cool zone. Now remember, under here there's what is called trend line liquidity. Here gold may come and take it out. It's under probability. That's why trading is under probability. It might happen, it may not happen. So let's move forward. There is a liquidity resting down here. Gold might come and take it. So maybe or maybe not. So now where do I want to take my gold from now? Is looking at this zone now. I'm seeing a clear liquidity resting here and a fair value gap here. So I may take my entry from here because it's closer to that liquidity. This is my fair value gap here. This is my fair value gap here. I'm taking this trade from this 1 hour time frame. Now we have a break of structure to the upside here. We have a break of structure to the upside here. And we have a break of structure to the upside here again. So moving down to my what's it called, my 15-minute time frame. So basically, if I want to wait for gold now, I'm waiting for gold here. But what happened? Why gold went up was because of this breaker block here. There was a breaker block here. There was a breaker block here that gold retested on. And you can see that there's a liquidity here again, an inducement that gold used. If for instance I came to the market earlier on, I would have put it closer to here, but nevertheless I'm saying that okay, this is what gold wants to do. But I have to tell myself, since gold has already used this breaker block here and use this inducement here now, so the next phase I can be waiting for gold again to still buy this market to the upside. It's either here or maybe I wait for gold here, because there's an inducement here too and a fair value gap here. So I'll be taking my entries from here. I'll be taking my entries here from this inducement. Remember, I said gold use this breaker block here. This breaker block here. So enter the trade because of this inducement. There's an inducement here. But mostly how I take if I see this kind of impulsement, how I take my trade is, if I see a liquidity below an inducement below it, what I do is I just put it very close to my inducement here, so that price will sweep it and go up. So here has been taken out, this zone has been taken out. So the next zone now I want to do is this zone here, because I'm seeing an inducement here. There's an inducement. An inducement is what takes people out of the market, mostly retail traders. An an inducement. So what can I see again? So basically I'm taking my trade from here, targeting this high, then my stop loss will just be a little bit below this low here. That's where I'm taking my good trade from. So this is 1:4. Let's just say here, let's just put 1:3. 1:3, yeah. So I'm just waiting for good here. Simple and short. Simple and short. Nothing like no complication, no making it hard for you to understand or anything. No, just simplicity is everything in the market. So guys, this is literally how I'm going to take my gold trade. So I'm just waiting for price to retest like this, like this, like this, like you take out all this liquidity here, then like this, sorry, like this, like this, like this, then tap in, then move up. So guys, this is the end of the analysis, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel. There'll be more videos coming in, there'll be more interesting topics coming in. So thank you so much, and have a great day and a great weekend ahead.